Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we will talk about what is HTML, CSS and JavaScript. It is the most hyped topic and right now in the colleges, in the universities, the web development and web design topic. Okay, so you can see in the screen we have a basic project with the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So first, if you go with the basic concept, I will tell you what about the thing it is. Let's go with the next page. You can see this is the Google page, and if you go here and just right click on and inspect this, boom. uh, you can't see here, but I am just inspecting that website. Okay, I'm just sharing the whole window. Wait a second. Okay, so first, if you see that project, okay, it's very basic. You will need to be understand how it should be made it. Okay, so here in the first line that you see the doc tab HTML, it is a so much basic thing. If you need to be learn something, that there are some syntax. So in HTML there is a syntax just like heading tags, and the in the tags we have IDs and the buttons on clicks. The normal website, when you just go for the Google itself have this kind of a thing. You can see this is Google. Okay, so this is a kind of a font or icon, and here you can see these are the boxes here. So in the project we will go, you should have to avoid this thing, char set UTF and UTF. The title is www.xrashnishmar.com. Okay, so basically we just categorize our three things: HTML, the markup language, and in which we will not be, this is not a programming language, it's called a markup because we don't have any compiler to be run it, we have the browser to run it. Okay, so after that we have some CSS is basically for the designing and just make colorful for the website and just being cool and just okay, we just like we I have an ice cream and it's a normal vanilla flavor, but I have some scoops of dark forest cream, so I'll put it on it, then it will be more delicious. So this is the kind of a CSS power to make HTML boring thing as super interesting. After that we have some fun functionings on the websites to be working, to be functioning. So we have vanilla JS. We can say it is the normal JS, just JavaScript. So in which you can just do the working. You can here you can see this code. I just wrote it down. Here you can see the JavaScript for scroll to top button. Okay, you can see here the button, and it is made it with the JavaScript. It is the working is doing with the JavaScript. So if you just hold it and keep it down, then it is moving. Cool. Here you can see the code here. The scroll to top bottom at events listener is a kind of a property. You can say it's kind of a syntax. You have to be just thinking about it when you learn JavaScript. First, the basic thing it is when you learn to be go and just learn about what is web development and web design. Don't go for the courses, don't buy anything. There's free and eligible to the docs. You can go there and just learn it, what is JavaScript, what is HTML, what is CSS. This kind of a thing is freely available on the And this tutorial I will help you to just make this kind of a thing. Just I made it. Here you can I will just upload this code on my GitHub, and you can just check it out for the link. And this you can see, okay, you can see it is responsive. I will just keep it, hold it down, and it is a kind of a responsive. Their positioning, what's the positioning is, the positioning is the property in the CSS in which we will see the position of an element, the head, the background image, the border, the box, the button, every kind of things in the CSS. So CSS is cool, super cool, amazing thing. If you have to be try it, call for the CSS better.dev. And here you can see I just made it all them as a left. Okay, so if I will scroll it up, here's my name, and it is made it with the heading tag. How could I know? Heading tag basically a kind of a heading. Just we wrote some notes, so we have some heading. If I'm making notes of HTML, so we will write as a heading, as a HTML heading in my front of a page. In the top heading of my page, it's HTML. It should be dark and bold. I have to just clear mind when I just read it. Okay, this is HTML. And if you see in the about me, the web developer, Daryl, technical writer, open source advocate, contributor, community member, so it's all about the thing about me. It's basically I just made it for a very basic, so you can go ahead and just just see what I had done. And this is S3 tag. How could I know this? It's about up to the it's six type of headings in HTML. The main heading is H1. The second is second important. When we making notes, if HTML, and after that, what is HTML? So it should be heading 2, and heading 3 it should be the types of HTML. So this kind of a heading, just like contact, you can see this is basically a heading 3. So okay, after that we have business. This kind of a thing should be good for paragraph. If you have the answer of what is HTML, HTML is markup language. It should be used into making website as so much as easier to write the code on HTML. So this is the thing you can see business and my Gmail, and the personal and my Gmail. It's a Twitter X and my link. How could we should add link in HTML? This is the one tag which should be in order in mind. It's anchor tag. In anchor tag we have a basic categorized code. You can see here. I'm going to the code. You will see that. Yes. So this is my paragraph. Okay, this is anchor, and this is href. Href basically attribute. Attribute is the thing is inside in the tag. Okay, when we go, when we just write some words, important words in our definition, we will just underline it. So these are the words I could be just categorized at, what should I say? It's attribute, and it's the most important word in the sentence. So it's called it in which it in which we will just link down our link. Okay, just you will see the working of the Twitter X. There is a link. So here I just put it on my link, and if you just click it down, you will see here it is not possible to see. But if you go for some other sources, if I run it on my local machine, how could it be run? Wait for a second, I will just show you. It is working in the backend. Okay, now you can see the whole process and the whole output here. uh, in here I just didn't edit it, so I have to edit it from this side. I just copy this link, okay, and I okay go for it and open it from text editor. So this is my local machine text editor where I have to edit it. I want that I should have to edit it on my try editor. So here I will just, you will see the magic now. Okay, cool. Save it. And where should, okay, now you will see the magic. Boom, the new link is being added. How just it happens? I will go on the source code. Source code is a code which is should be in your local machine. Local machine is the thing where you just store your code as much possible to see yourself, and if you want to be just uploaded for everyone, you can go for the sources on online, just like GitHub, open source. Okay, so here you can see I'll just click it down and my link is working. Boom. So you can see this, the link is working with the href attribute in the links of a section of anchor tag. So it will be possible that you should have to be try it with my code. I will just upload it on my GitHub so you can check it out. It's very basic, and it's nice to be here for all of you that this should be the open source. You can, if you want to just do any kind of a contribution here, so you can do it. I don't have any kind of a issue. You can see the link is working. And how it can be possible? It possible. Okay. One I guess oh shit, no worries. I have to see one thing first. Okay, I didn't write it well in the source code of the link of my LinkedIn. So I have to go there and just put it down, LinkedIn, and just copy it and just go for the source code and just recopy, repaste. Okay, now I should be cancel it. Okay, now I guess it will be work. Is it working? You can see the cursor is moving and you can see, oh my god, this is my profile of link. Okay, nice. Make sure if you want to just connect me there, go ahead and just see my post and just cool up for the comments. I just wanted to be publicly that I connect with you. If you want to see my GitHub link, this also being there, and this is all more links here. If you want to see it, uh, Yeah, one more thing. This is a very basic, so you should need to be understood by yourself also. It is totally connected with you. Uh, Basically, in our junior classes, we studied about STL, but not being so seriously. But I have to tell that it is very basic. If you need to be learned, just go with this tutorial. If you need to be learned, I will go with my code instead. Okay, so I will open it here. A notepad, if I want here. Just I want to show you my whole source code. Now I have to go format code. Oh, it's pretty cool. It's not so big because sometimes I just see this is the video is the basic tutorial. If you're new to this web development, if yeah, you will it will help you to just know how the web development works. Okay, so now I will show you basically my source code. Cool. So you can see the source code here, and now we will learn how it should be written by me. First of all, this is a comment. You need to be understand this. Okay, this is okay. Sorry, this is comment. Comment in the purpose in which the programmer sees in the code in the future what the changes he had done in this line. I just do this line as I just don't even need to be remember the resume project I got from my college that you should have to make a resume project. So cool, not a big issue, it's only comment. Okay, now this is kind of a you can say header file in the HTML. You can see it's basically syntax should be right talk type HTML before you're writing a HTML code. Cool. We have the HTML lang as English, so whenever we write something in HTML, so we will should be write in uh, American English, because in American English we have some sources just like in the color we don't use it for COLOUR in the UK section. We have a COLOR, so it should be right when we go with an American English. Cool. It's a head. Head just contain some those sections which are important for the code. Meta char set UTF-8 you should not be understand in this because I will just talk about it in the particular video. You should to be named meta name viewport. Okay, viewport is your the I think we need to be clear with the v1 video with only meta text. Okay, let's go with the title tag. Title tag is the need that if you have a tab, so tab have some dot coms, some this kind of a things in the basically in the section. I have to be just to show you all. Wait for a second, I will just show you all. Okay, entire screen I should be selected. Okay, now I can think that you will see that oh, cool. Here you can see which as I should be selected. The www dot com has been written in the file of uh, okay, you have to hide it. Yes, it's basically the title is being going for the tab section, and you can see which kind of a this thing is. If I just wrote it to www.com, so I should get this profile. It's the kind of a link you should be display in your tab section, that the title tag works. Okay, in the style tag is the basically we will write HTML in this tag. You can see I just style for the best part section, and dot best part, the background color. You can see what I said, color and color, the two different names but the same meaning. Padding, test align center, it's a very basic, sure you need to be understand what the basic of the HTML. It's best part heading 2. This font size, color, font size, best part P, font size, style. That's it. Heading close. So one more thing, if the style you want to write it, you should have to be right in between the head. So head is basically the tag in which you can got the information about the CSS meta chart set, meta tags, title, and the more thing we will just see in future. Cool. Now we go for the header. Header is the meaning of the main heading of the website. I will just show you. Here you can see the Rajneesh Maurya in the heading. Header is this part of the website. Cool. And in which I will write it both. Avoid it. It is basic. You can see class. Class is equal to contact section class, this kind of a tags which you're using while we just made any kind of a website. It's a normal one, it's a web page, not kind of a website right now. It's a normal page here. You can see p tag, we will talk about the paragraph one. S2 is also the thing which you use. Education, you can overview that this thing. Cool. Wow. Here you can see the codes which I had wrote. When you write something, you can get if you want to write about some JavaScript, so you can got from here. Just I write uh, console.log. Oh, it's wrong. Okay, I will write this. It's a syntax error, and I should go. It's very basic thing. Okay, why this syntax error. I will tell you. Basically, this thing is go for. Okay. Sorry for that. It's basically a here you can see, which means it's normal language JavaScript, so you can avoid this. But I just want to assure that if you want to just run any kind of a JavaScript file, you can go ahead with this browser and you check out it. It's a normally console screen. You can get these values also. You want to calculate, this is the thing, the automatic thing. Cool. So here, why you can't watch? Because this address, it should not be put in here. Means the link of that my tutor is not being go for there as well. So this is all about today, and we will make a video as our first video. It's a basic overview of web development. If you want the next video, then comment out some beautiful comments. I want to see this, and if you have any doubt related to the web development course, it's not a course. I'm just telling you why it is so easy. Why it's so easy. You will also learn it is the easiest way. I will tell you. So it will take time to be being a best, but you should have to be do everyday hustle and hard work with the consistency. Do 1 hour, do 30 minutes. It's nothing matter with the time, but you should have to do this. Okay, thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for the more me videos related to that content. And yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good day. See ya.